This dance is called Romeo Tonight. It's a 2-roll, 64 count, improver level line dance with 1 tag. Starting off on the right foot, the vine to our right. So it's side, behind, side, cross, rock to the side, recover, making a quarter turn left, and go into some prissy walks with a hitch. So prissy walk, hitch, walk, hitch, walk, hitch. Followed by a jazz box with a touch. Let's just go up to there. Line to the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, walk, hitch, walk, hitch, walk, hitch, cross, back, side, touch. Into a rumba box. Side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick. Step diagonally back on the right, touch the left, diagonally back on the left, touch the right, step slightly to the right and bump right, left, right, left. So add that bit onto the top. Vine right with a cross. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, walk, hitch, walk, hitch, walk, hitch. Jazz box with the touch. Rumba box forward with a kick at the end. Back, touch, bump, 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 bump. Twisting now. Heels right, toes right, heels right, and clap. Going back to the left, heels left, toes left, heels right, and clap. Let's add that bit onto the top. Vine right with a cross. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, walk, hitches. Into a jazz box. Rumba box forward. Back touches. Touch, back, touch. Bump, 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 bump. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist, twist. Then we're going to do some Monterey turns. A half followed by a quarter. So it's Monterey half and then a Monterey quarter. So you should end up facing the back wall. At the end of that Monterey quarter, rather than bringing your feet together, you're going to flick the left behind the right because that will help you to go into the next step. So, from the Monterey half, so it's point, half a turn, point, close, point, quarter turn, point, flick. From here we're going into a chassé to the left, back rock, and a figure of 8 without doing a quarter turn on the end. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Just to finish the dance off, jazz jump forward, right, left, and back, right, left. And you start the dance again. So let's have a go all the way through. Vine to the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, walk, hitches. Jazz box with a touch. Rumba box forward. The kick at the end. Back touch, bump, 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 bump. Twist, twist, twist and clap. Twist, twist, twist. Monterey half. Monterey quarter flick, chassé, back rock, figure of 8, jazz jump, and back. And you start the dance again. Okay. Hope you've all got that. Let's try the second wall, and then I'll tell you about the tag. So here we go. Vine to the right, half on the right foot. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, walk, hitch, walk, hitch, walk, hitch. Jazz box with the touch. Rumba box forward. With a kick at the end. Back touch, bump, 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 bump. Twist, 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 clap. Twist, twist, twist. Monterey half. Monterey quarter flick. Chassé, back, rock, figure of 8. Jazz jump and back. and start the dance again. Now the tag, there's only one, comes at the end of wall 2. So once you've done the second wall, all we're going to do is a vine with a cross and a mambo cross going in each direction. So start off going to the right, vine to the right, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, and repeat going to the left, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross. And then you just start the dance again and carry on. So should we give it a go to some music? Five, six, seven, nine, rock, turn, walks, jazz, rumba, back touches, hip bumps, twist, Monterey half, quarter, flip, chateau, back rock, figure eight, jumps, vine, rock, turn, walks, jazz, twist, Monterey's, flip, chateau, back rock, figure eight, just jump, tag, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, vine with the cross, mambo, start again, vine, jazz, rumba, back touch, hip bumps, twist, Monterey, flip, chateau, back rock, figure eight, jump,
Romeo tonight. Tell me who's gonna be your Romeo? Who's gonna dance and hold you tight when you turn the lights down low? Who's gonna tell you that it's okay and everything's gonna be alright? Who's your Romeo, girl? Romeo tonight. Who's your Romeo, girl? Romeo tonight.
Well done. Hope you enjoyed that one.